Hi, how are you doing today? Today we are going to draw the national flag of Liechtenstein. You can see that I already have drawn a previously rectangular shape here. This is the usual shape of the most of the flags of the countries, and you can see a yellow color icon which is looks like a crown. And this flag has two different colors. One is dark red, another one is dark blue. Let's put the outlines here. Later we are going to fill up the colors in two segments of the flag. So the usual outline has done here, and the bottom part we're going to put the red color. Let's start the red color first here, and after filling up this color, then we're going to fill up the other side, and then the flag is going to be completed. All right, so this is the flag of Liechtenstein. Let's put the color on the top portion. After we fill up this dark color here, so the color is filled up on the top portion, and the dark blue color you can see here. This is going to be a uniform color in the monochromatic shades in all the area, and very nicely distributed in the same proportion. And you can see the two colors in the bottom, the red, and the top, the dark blue color, and a symbol you can see easily here on this side. And we're going to make a nice outline so that we can see the usual shapes very clearly. Let's put a nice outline with the highlighter. All right, so this is the flag of Liechtenstein. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Later we're going to bring more interesting videos. Thanks for watching, and you can also browse through our playlist to select categories, and lots of drawings out there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.